how to update the TikTok app on iPhone, Android, or Samsung. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the latest version of the TikTok app on your phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is simply open up our respective app store. So on an iPhone, that's going to be the App Store. On an Android phone or Samsung phone, that should be the Google Play Store. Once your app store opens up, go ahead and search TikTok, then just go ahead and select TikTok. And then where mine says open, if there's an update available, you'll see update. So go ahead and select update. It'll then download and install the latest version of TikTok available within the Google Play Store or the iPhone App Store. Now, if for some reason, after doing that, you still don't have the latest features or the latest version of TikTok on your iPhone or Android phone, what I recommend doing is uninstalling TikTok and then reinstalling it. And on an iPhone, you can easily do that by finding the TikTok app, then just long press it, then select remove app. Once you do that, select delete app, and then confirm you want to delete the app from your iPhone. And on an Android phone, all you need to do is long press the TikTok app, then just drag it up to uninstall. Confirm you do want to uninstall the TikTok app and select OK. Once you've uninstalled the app, simply open up your respective app store, go back to TikTok, and then reinstall. And once it reinstalls, it should have the latest version of TikTok on your iPhone or Android phone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.